Hello and welcome to this short video introducing flipped classroom as a model for blended learning. What if lessons happened at home and homework in the classrooms? In this model of blended learning, students are first introduced to the new content online. They then review and develop skills and understanding in the classroom, supported by a teacher or peers. Traditional roles for each space are flipped. In this example, each group is divided into Group A and Group B. The schedule is set to a 2-week rolling plan. In Week 1, Group A's students are sent online resources. They engage in online counselling skills practice and group work, including check-ins, set group tasks, personal development groups, checkouts, and social time. Students will still have access to the tutor through online tutorials and chat. In Week 2, Group A students meet in the classroom to present questions, explore meanings, and engage with peers in a more personal way. They practice face-to-face counselling skills and engage in in-person group work. One of the two tutors facilitates classroom activities, face-to-face group time, and observes face-to-face skills practice. In this schedule, each week, Group B does the opposite activities to Group A, so that the two halves of the class cover the same content. Here are the benefits of this learning model. No adjustments are needed for the physical classroom. Students can watch lessons on demand as often as needed. Students who struggle to demonstrate their learning at home can be helped by tutors and peers in the classroom. Class time is freed up for more support and discussion-based activities to help support students and engage in two-way as opposed to one-way communication. Here are the challenges of this learning model. Access to IT resources and stable internet will be required. Differing levels of IT literacy in students may affect their ability to participate in all learning activities. Tutors' traditional roles are changed, so extra training and development may be needed. We hope this has been a helpful overview of this learning model. Please watch our other videos in this series to learn about other approaches to blended learning.